So Shane, here we are. What's this one?
It's one of my favourites.
Yes. Are you hugging this one?
I know. So this is a Carthago Liner for 2 I53L.
Yeah. On the RV Co again, so it would be nice to kind of match it against the S Plus that we've just been in.
And the RV Co is an upgrade as well.
Yeah.
And with it being the
278,000 euros, so it's not actually that far off the price of the...
No. So the L is the longer version. So this one sits at, where is it? Nearly 8.6 metres.
Yeah.
So
plenty of room again in the garage for wine, as you can see. But yeah, you've got even more that way. Look at the size of that garage.
My only thing about this, look at the overhang on that.
It is a big overhang, but...
It's a good job it's twin rear wheel.
Yeah. You kind of expect another axle.
Very quickly, have a look at those big airbags down there.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, so it's a proper beast.
Double floored again. Loads of storage in the front also.
Yeah. 6.7 tonne.
Wow. Nearly as heavy as me, that. Where are you starting? Oh, yes. Now, yeah, this is it. This is the one.
Oh yeah, you can't beat one of them.
Yeah, this is it. Massive lounge.
So, yeah, it's a wraparound lounge. I mean, there's a button here which, for those who haven't seen it before, put your legs up and this reclines down rather. Oh, that I ain't moving. But how warm it is in these huts. Oh, that's doing me back lovely.
I like the L as well with the glasses at the back. That's the only difference I can tell with the L. They cut that back section off so you don't get the glass cabinets.
And you have
really like them.
And yeah, and the other thing is you have got storage down there as well, which really helps. With, I think you've even got sockets in there, or at least USB ports in 1 or 2 of them. Potentially. Extra seat belts at the back as well. Yeah, so it is a 4-berth 4 travel because this converts in, or it's an option to convert.
I tell you what, it's not just a pretty face. It's USB ports.
I know, my liner for 2s.
That's it.
So yeah,
it's stunning.
This converts into a double bed. You've got your 2 rear seat belts, so you can sit in comfort.
Quite like the twin skylights as well.
Yeah.
That'll let in loads of light.
Nice and bright. Pop-up TV
Massive
there.
TV. That does fold away all nice and neat. Just goes at a diagonal under that, behind that counter there. It's really
just
nice.
like if it's no, it's not.
It's not.
They've not got it operated. I didn't know if they will because somebody will break it. Down here, you have got lots of storage that folds out nicely. And sorry, Heather, can you just step back because you'll get flipped off. Yeah, on gas struts, nice big space.
Yeah.
Get to your water tank down here, you've got your levers just to empty out so you don't have to get out the van on a rainy day like today.
And if anyone remembers, John did actually fit in one of them.
Did he?
On one of the videos, yeah, he fit in the floor there. So
what, the garage?
That's it. So that's how big that is. Just a quick one as well, you do have an entertainment system, like a little stereo for the back section, which is good. So you can just put music on and everything in this rear lounge. But
so they've left the clocks because we haven't got that normal front drop down bed. So we've got the clocks up here to control the panels. And that's the only thing I don't like about the Carthago. It just doesn't sit very well with me.
To be honest, I can't see much of a difference from the old Liner for 2s.
No.
It's very, very similar. The bed, I do love though, the drop down bed.
What drop down bed? Yeah, so the difference, I might be wrong, I think the difference between this and the E-line, Chic E-line, which is the next level down, is the Chic E-line is a manual bed, whereas this, I mean, they've not got anything operated on, but this is a drop down bed. It rests.
It's
on
just
these 2 tables.
It's just that angle at the front as well.
Yeah.
So that is the bed that flattens out as it comes down. It is really, really
it's
nice.
really clever how it flattens out.
And then if I remember right, the step is under the bottom drawer there. I think that is the step. To your right, Shane.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
See that?
This one down here.
Yeah, there you go. And that's your steps to get into your bed. Really well thought out. Again, you've got storage in there as well.
Yeah. Really clever.
Change just broke it, because that won't go back in. So it's like we ain't noticed.
Probably get it.
And that, kids, is why none of the electrics are turned on.
Yeah.
The problem
And
is
you're
I
not
don't
want
want
to
to
press any buttons.
I'll have a look in a minute. Well, yeah, so we've got the shower on the right-hand side, a nice big wardrobe here, and then if you can just get past this step that I've left out, and it's quite a
See, this is
nice, fancy bathroom.
This is the idea I was on about with the door. It just opens it up a lot more, I think, when that door can swing open. But that's just me being picky.
What a love, you've got under storage all the way
Understorage,
through,
yeah.
little pockets.
Oh, does that metal bracket need pushing down? There
Yeah.
you go, look.
Just seeing that.
So he hasn't broke it.
That's why you
Lives to
never.
fight another day.
That's why you never push anything in a motorhome. Lesson, children. Never push anything in a motorhome because you've probably broke it.
Especially if it's not your motorhome
Yes.
and it costs this much money.
Yes. The only thing I'm disappointed about this, unless I'm doing it wrong, it hasn't got the office pack.
All right, okay.
What's the office pack?
Table. It comes out.
It's got the it's got the bits where you separate the front off.
Oh, yeah, there we
it
go.
has, look, there you
There's
go.
the office pack. So you can swivel the seats round, put your laptop on there, and work away. Busy little bees.
Very nice.
So what do we think?
I prefer the layout to this than the S Plus.
It's the preferred layout, yeah.
A little bit disappointed that they've not really changed a lot. It's the same as previous ones that we've owned. But I don't. Then again, it's that nice, so you don't have to change it.
Very true. Very true.
But yeah, definitely this one for me.
The Liner for 2.
Liner for 2.